Today I'm going to be reviewing the Devon Oak Nightstand by HOULTE. This piece is finished with a red oak veneer and was carefully crafted. Over here I have one that's set up and ready to go. We're going to unpack this together and I'm going to show you how carefully everything was put in this box to make sure that it arrives safely to your doorstep. As you can see here, they actually put a plywood on the outside and a foam on the inside. So that's going to ensure that everything looks amazing at the time of delivery. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lift this out. All right, so after I take this out of the box, everything looks absolutely amazing. It's covered to perfection, and guess what, guys? This actually has a USB and a Type-C charging port with the touch lights on here, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. But as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. Just gotta pull this open, and inside we're gonna have a box that's taped down, and this is gonna have the little port that you do plug into the 110 outlet. So all you gotta do is come to the back, there's a little hole, and you can just fish out the cable. Very easy to access, and this is gonna plug right in. Now you're just gonna wanna take the adapter, plug that right in, and then we just plug that to an outlet and you're done. One of the #1 things that I absolutely love about these is as soon as you take them out of the box, there is no assembly required. You guys watched me take this one out of the box. It was the same with that one. All I had to do was unbox the cable, plug it in, and turn it on. There is no assembly, and that is just one of the premiums that you get with such a great designer company, and I love that. So anything to save me a little less work is definitely good. So let's go ahead and throw these in my room and take a look at some of the amazing features that this has to offer. So this is what this is gonna look like on the bottom. You're actually gonna get an anti-tip kit on all 4 of the corners here, and all you have to do is just spin this out if you wanna adjust this perfectly. I'm gonna be on carpet, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal, but if you are putting this on hardwood, you may wanna get this perfectly level, which you'll be able to do very easily. Now paired up with HOULTE's amazing alabaster chandelier, these look incredible. All right guys, now let's take a closer look at what this has to offer. This is a beautiful red oak design, and I love how tall these are. These are the perfect height. You can see my bed height here, so when you reach over and put your phone down, it's gonna be the perfect height. Now one key feature that I absolutely love is gonna be this wireless charging system. Now check this out. All I gotta do is set my phone on there, so no more plugging in. But if you do have to plug in, this is gonna be hooked up with a USB and a Type-C port, which is gonna make this very convenient. You have your touch button settings here, and all you have to do is tap that, and then the lights will change, making this one of my favorite features that this has to offer. And when that's not in use, all you gotta do is spin that for a nice concealed look. The top of these drawers have a small little lip on the top. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's actually enough to grab where you could pull the drawer from the top, and you could see how much room this has. Very nice design. I love that the tracks are black. It just goes perfectly. Contrast in here is amazing, super soft. So whatever you put in here is definitely gonna stay safe. Nice soft close, and then we actually get a little lip that's a little larger from the bottom, so you can pull it from the bottom as well. Now taking a look at the bottom here, you have a big lip. We have a beautiful soft wood contrast, black rails, and as I pull this back, you're gonna see the light and how it pulls in, making it very easy to see. So it's gonna be very bright and really practical if you are opening this up at night. So if you do have to grab something in the evening, maybe you jam pack this with stuff like I do on my nightstands, you're gonna be able to see this a lot better because the light actually shines through the whole bottom. And this is actually a pretty deep drawer. We have amazing soft close that looks stunning. I love the lighting going underneath. It's a contrasting look, and this brings so much character into the room. Simply press the button and you can shut this off, press it again, and you're gonna be able to change the setting. And you can do this multiple times until you find what you like. And if you want to dim this down, all you gotta do is hold that in with your finger. It's gonna dim it down till it's completely off. And then if you tap it one more time and hold it down, you're gonna dim it to the highest light setting. So that feature is gonna make it very easy to find the highest light setting and also the lowest light setting. I hate when I'm trying to dim something and I hit the button and I have to time it and pull my finger off when it gets to the highest setting, because if I miss it, it'll start dimming again. This feature will lock that in, and that's one of the things that makes this so great. And as you can see at night, this changes the whole vibe of my room. So it takes it into something that's bright and airy and gives it such a nice moody feel that I absolutely love. It just sets the tone and the vibe in a different way, and I'm really loving it. And it's nice too because if you dim this down, you can also use this as a night light, so if you get up in the middle of the night, it'll shine the path for your feet. I love this big front piece. It's nice, flat, and just looks amazing against the fluted design. And it's hard to notice, but this piece actually goes inward, which brings it a lot more dimension. It makes the light hit all these different grooves perfectly. This piece was definitely created with thought in mind to make your room look absolutely amazing. Whether you're gonna put this in your living room, your home office, or at your bedside for a convenient nightstand, this piece really hits home and I absolutely love it. It looks amazing from the top to the bottom, well constructed with thought and beauty. So I also pieced this kit together with HOULTE's amazing alabaster chandelier, and I love this. And this chandelier is absolutely amazing and it just looks stunning. I cannot believe how this turned out. When I installed this, my wife absolutely fell in love. And I'm telling you, she ended up sitting right there for 2 hours and stared up at the chandelier and couldn't believe that this was hers. This is made of alabaster and it looks gorgeous. You can see the veins inside here. They're all different. None of them are alike. And there's tons of lights on the inside. This comes with bulbs. You can actually get this in gold and in black. And they do have one that is a little bit smaller. This is going to be the 32 inch, weighing at 85 pounds. But man, oh man, does this look absolutely incredible and pairs up perfectly with these nightstands. At the end of the day, I give these pieces a 10 out of 10. They blew my mind with the craftsmanship, and you can tell that the company puts so much passion into each piece. If you guys want to check out this brand, I'm going to leave a link down in the description. I highly suggest that you check that out. They have so many other amazing pieces that just look stunning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.